Same exercise, that is the exercise 9.1, of course, which is based on the application of the trigonometry, right? Now you see in question number 12, that is of the exercise 9.1, what does the question says? That first I explain the question according to our NCERT textbook. I'll read the question for you children. It is given, from the top of the 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is given 60 degree. I repeat the question, from the 7-meter high building, top of the 7-meter high building, I shown the CD as a building, right? 7-meter height, top is at the point C, right? So the observation point is at the point C, that is top of the building. When the observer observes the top of the cable tower, AB is the cable tower children and CD is the building, right, which is 7-meter heighted. So it elevates 60 degree, that is angle of elevation is 60 degree. And from the same point, that is the top of the building, when he observes at the base of the cable tower, that is at the point B, I shown the arrow children. See, this is the elevation, this goes arrow C to A, that is observation point C to A. It elevates 60 degree. And of course, C will be the horizon line for both angle of elevation as well as the angle of depression. Angle of elevation from base to top, and angle of depression from top to base, that is top to ground. So see, the angle of depression is given 45 degree. When he observe from top of building to the base of the tower, we are getting the angle of elevation as a 45 degree, right children? So find the height of the cable tower, that is the AB children. Okay, so this is the question according to NCERT textbook. 2-3 times this question also has been already asked in the board exam children. Okay, so is the question clear? Here also two objects are there children. CD is the building and AB is the height of cable tower, which we have to find, and the height of building 7 meter is given, right? Now the next part is that from the top of the building, when the observer observes the top of the cable tower, he elevates at 60 degree. Elevation, angle of elevation is at 60 degree. And from same point, that is top of the building, when he observes the base of the cable tower, that is from C to B, the angle of depression is 45 degree. Angle of depression, baseline is of course horizon line is CE, and depression is from top to bottom. You can see the arrow I shown from C to B is the angle of depression. C is getting 45 degree, right children? So then what will happen? See, this is 45 degree angle, that is angle ECB is 45 degree. So since CE, when you join the horizon line and this is also horizon line, these horizon line will always be parallel to each other, right? And this angle you get 90 degree, this angle you will get 90 degree. Tower is on the ground, building is on the base, is on the ground. So always these objects will be perpendicular to the ground. So it makes angle of 90 degree with the horizon line, right? Now, so this angle will equal to this angle, because CE parallel to DB and BC you will take the transversal. So this angle will equal to this angle. I have written here by the alternate interior angle, right? So depression here we are getting 45 degree and its alternate interior angle is this. So we get 5 degree. Clear children? So I mentioned everything here. AB is the height of cable tower, I assumed as a H, which we have to find out. CB is the height of building, which is 7 meter. Angle AC is the angle of elevation 60 degree. ECB is the angle of depression, which is equal to CBD by alternate interior angle property. It is of the 45 degree. Okay, so regarding the figure, everything is over. Now let's start working how to get the height of the building, that is the AB. Okay children, so see children, here we are getting the two right triangle, one is AEC. So let's start with the right triangle AEC, right? So in right triangle AEC children, in triangle AEC children, now correlate the side. Now see, we are interested to, of course, by in right triangle AEC you will get only the part of the AE, है ना, part of the cable tower, that is the AE, right? So this is the AE we need, and see this CE, है ना, CE will equal to BD, because if you get here, you are getting a figure like a rectangular figure you are getting here, right children? So here CE will equal to what? BD, right? CE will equal to BD. So definitely we will get the value of CE something here when we apply the trigonometric ratio. So we want the relation in opposite side to the adjacent side, right children? So which trigonometric ratio we will apply here to get the relation in opposite side to the adjacent side children? Of course tan. So we apply here tan of the 60 children. Tan of angle of elevation is 60 degree. According to definition, opposite side we get here AE children, upon adjacent side is CE children, right? What is the value of tan 60? According to the trigonometric table, it is the root 3 children. So I'll write here root 3. We can write as a root 3 upon 1 AE. Now see what is the value of AE. AE, as you are knowing, it is the part of the AB children. Okay, so I can mention here also AE is equal to AB, that is AB complete height of the cable tower minus BE children, right? So what is the AB? AB we assumed as a H, and what is the BE? BE is 7. So H minus 7 meter you will get the value of AE children, right? And here CD will equal to BE, opposite sides will be equal. So here also we can mention here CD is equal to BE equal to 7 meter children. Is the concept clear? So see, this AE we write AB minus BE. AB minus BE. AB is the complete height of the cable tower, okay, and BE is given upon CE. Upon CE children. One more step you will take over here. Root 3 by 1 equal to AB we assumed height of cable tower as H, and BE is equal to 7 upon CE children. Do the cross multiplication. So what you will get children? Root 3 of CE is equal to H minus 7 children. So what you will get children here? CE will equal to H minus 7 upon root 3, right children? But CE will equal to what? BD. So you can write here, but CE is equal to BD children, right? H minus 7 upon root 3 as a equation number 1 children. Clear? Okay. So now CE, which is equal to BD, is our clear, that is H minus 7 upon root 3 children. Okay. Now come to the next right triangle. Now you take the right triangle CDB children. Okay. Of course you can take the CEB also, you will get the same value. Okay. So now in triangle CDB children, okay, now see, upon adjacent side is BD children, right? So tan 45 value you are knowing. What is the tan 45? Is 1. So 1 upon 1 children according to trigonometric table. Now DC is given children 7, okay, upon BD. right, upon BD. Okay children, and BD is equal to what? CE, or CE is equal to BD. So do the cross multiplication. So what you will get children here? BD is equal to 7. Therefore BD equal to CE equal to 7. This is equation 2 children. So now see, this is the value of CE, this is also the value of CE, and so both value you will show equal. So from equation 1 and 2 children, h minus 7 upon root 3 is the CE, but CE you are getting the 7 children, right? Okay, CE h minus 7 upon root 3. Okay, and here also you are getting the value of CE as a 7 children, right? Now do the cross multiplication. So what you will get children? H minus 7 equal to 7 root 3 children, right? So h equal to what you will get? 7 root 3 minus 7 you transpose to the right, you will get plus 7. Take the 7 as a common. So what you will get? Root 3 plus 1 meter. Right children? And since in the question the value of root 3 is not mentioned, so we will leave here only. We will not put the value of root 3 here. Okay? So our answer is over children. We can mention the answer in words. That is the height of the cable tower, which is the required height children, equal to 7 of in bracket root 3 plus 1 meter children. Clear? Okay, so it is very simple. You just according to the statement you draw a building, represent a building, as I represented as a CD is the building and 1 is the cable tower. So I represented cable tower as a AB. Okay, then from the top of the building, angle of elevation 60 degree, you will draw a horizon CE. Okay, meet the CE, then you will show the angle of elevation 60 degree and angle of depression as a 45 degree. Its alternate angle, this will be 45. Then you take the triangle AEC. Okay, take the ratio of tan 60, so you will get opposite upon adjacent, AE upon CE. You put the value, so you will get equal to h minus 7 upon root 3. Right children? When you select the triangle, right triangle CDB, again you take the ratio tan, because we want the relation in opposite and adjacent. So you will get opposite upon adjacent 7 upon DB. Okay, do the tan 45 is 1, do the cross multiplication, you will get BD equal to 7, but BD is equal to C according to the figure. So we got the two equation and both equation are the value of CE only. So you will equate both the value, so you will get the height as a 7 of root 3 plus